Hello and welcome to the video making mastery. So in this session we are going for the post part of the video making session, that is after your shoot is done and now you're ready for editing it. So in this video we are going to learn how to edit the video professionally even if you are a beginner or a newbie. So let's start and make an awesome project. So for video making, many editors use the professional softwares like Adobe and all, but here we have to use the simple and easy to use software, that is Camtasia. So just Google and download Camtasia software. Download Camtasia and just go to first official website, that is Camtasia, and just download a free trial. I have already downloaded it, so we can just dive into the option over here. Here we have our software interface. So this is the complete interface of your software where you have to edit your videos in a systematic way. So when you will be downloading it, it will be a trial version. It is 30-day trial, so you have to get a license version of it. I have already purchased it and you can see the interface of here. So the first thing you have to do is import media, whichever the video file we have to edit. So import it from here. Just click on import media. You can choose any of the video file. I will choose here my first project. So this will be the video. Your video includes both video and audio. Just get on this timeline, just drag and drop on this timeline. So you can see over here the video and audio both has been merged over here. So what you have to do here is just click on this, just right click and just press or click over here, that is you can see the option separate audio and video. So here you can see the audio and video both are separated. This will be the video and this is the audio. You can see the levels over here. So what you have to do is just drag and get it down to the under the video. So it is easy to arrange and easy to get over it. So one by one we will be going to work on it. So what software has been given to, let's see. This is the selection tool. We have to select if any scaling and opacity where we can change from here. We can do it from here. The rotations we can do, in the position we can change. You can do from the right side panel. This is the pan if you want to move and drag the video, and this crop we can crop as per your requirement, and this is the total fitting size which will be displayed over here. And you can also go in product settings. You can adjust the quality of the output, what output quality you should have. You had 4K HD, very high quality ultra HD videos, or in 720p HD videos for mobiles, for Instagram, for Facebook or video, for iPhones. Many of the options are given, but we have the standard quality, that is 1080p HD quality, and with the frame rate of 30 fps. So it's already default for it. And then second thing they have given here is library. In libraries you can they have given a bunch of stuff over here. You can add buildings, the icons, or you have to just select if you are in a building category or if you have a business category. You can just select if you have some calendar to be inputted then, or the graph to be inputted. Just select and drag into your picture. You can see it has been appeared over here, and you can adjust the size from into the picture itself. You can select the picture and just adjust the size. You can adjust accordingly if you have. It can scale it down from here itself and adjust anywhere you want. You can scale down from here and adjust, crop it from here. So now here we have selected the crop, so it has been cropped. But if you have selection tool, and you can change it, you can change the scale. So like this, if you add anything from this icons, if you add a clock over here, you can change it and scale down, and you can see the layers are added over here. If you add a clock, it has been added over to it. If you want to add besides it into the video, it will be appear in the next. You can see the graph has been displayed, and again the clock will be displayed. So like this, you can add any of the icons over here and make your video great. So I'll be deleting this from over it. You can also add annotation. They are also give shapes, different shapes, lines, arrows have been displayed. Camtasia has provided and suite and simple option to for the users to use. You can, this is also drag and drop. If you want to increase the length, means if you want to make it more visible, you can just drag and increase the length of that particular object. And you can add as many tracks as you want. You can just insert track and above you insert as many tracks as you want. Now we are working on 6 tracks, so you can add as many tracks. You can add as many arrows over here. You can just get it and just drag the scale which be added over here. You can change the opacity of it, what opacity you want to keep. You want to keep above it or below it. Both the options are given. So this is regarding the annotations. Now what transition should be given? Now what if you want to give a transition at the prefix over it at the start of the video? So just select any of the transition. There you can see the transitions over here, the circle stretch or the flip ones or the page rolls or the ripple effect, the stretch, again the spirals, the cube rotations, the spin. You can select any of the transitions and just grab into our video. I will select the basic one, that is the fade. So just select the transition and just grab over here. You can check it out. Just play. You can just play from here. You'll see this fade effect. Now what if you you can also change another, you can also add another effect. Just press over it and delete, and also can add ripple effect at the starting of over here. You'll see the ripple effect. So this is what we have done. And when selecting and grabbing the transitions, you can see the indications displayed by the software, that is the yellowness we can see over here on the initial and the last part of it. So those are the indications where the transition can be inputted. The software indicates the annotation that yes, these are the proper spaces where the transitions can be applied. So you have to add the transition at the initial part of this, and you can also increase the time of this time of the transition by just increasing the length. The layer has been selected, so I'll just delete it. You can also see the timing of the transition has been changed and increased to as your desired time. So like this, you can add transitions in your videos. And now second thing, what if you want to add the transition in the middle one? So for that we have to trim the videos. So how trimming should be done? So just make the selection over here, that is split. You can also input the shortcut that is S, but first we have to select what needs to be trimmed. So you have to select the video over here. So select the video and just press the split button. So you can see the video has been split into 2 parts. You can just zoom by this option of the timeline. It is the timeline zoom. You can see the video has been splitted. So now we have to add the effect over here, the transition effect. You can add many more transition effect. You can add now. We'll add the checkboard effect over here. So it will again indicate that this can be placed over here, and again both sided effect will be, we can increase the length of the effect. So this was about transitions, how transitions can be given. Now we'll check it out, behaviors. Behaviors is especially for text matters. And if you add text over here, behaviors, you can just drag and drop into the onto the video. You can just see the video effect over here, the pop-up, how it's been pop up over here. You can just see it, or you can just pulsating effect you can add over here. So this is especially for text, it's not for video. I'm just showing it for your information. So those are the effects we can add. So just if you want to remove effects, you have to just right click and remove all effects. So that's what about behaviors. Now we'll turn to animations. What animation it will be done? So here are the animations which you can input to your videos. Animation is for specific part. You can see the animation has been done over here. A specific part has been selected and animation you can apply it over it. So that's how we can add animation. We have many more animations over here: full opacity, tight flight, scale up. Many more options for the animations are given here. Smart focus. This is the most trending effect animations is been used nowadays. Now we have a cursor effect. Many of the users need cursor effect when they perform some operations. There are also the left and right click options displayed over here. Voice narration, what you are recording during the making the video, you can just start voice recording and edit it. Now you can see about the visual effects, how visual effects you can add to your videos. If you want in the device frame, just add it. You can see the device frame has been displayed over here, and your video is displayed into the device frame or the monitor. You can also remove your background color like this, how here has been removed. Just adjust the colorization, how here the color has been changed. So you can add all the effects over here. Drop shadow, the border, you can add the border. So these are some add-on effects provided by Camtasia. If you want some interaction with this, if you want to add timeline with quick placeholder, you can add to it. Both of the options are given over here. If you want to add some captions for your video, you can also add captions. And so those were the total tools you can add for your videos and make an awesome video. I've already told you about the quality of the video, but now when you have to export the video and you're done with your editing, you have to just go here, just press the share option. And if you directly want to upload to YouTube, here they have your YouTube option or the Google Drive option. Or you want to just export to your PC, then just press on the local file. Just this dialog box will appear over here, and you have to just press the custom settings. Almost we are already we have just inputted the quality, the what we require, the dimensions of the video. MP4 player, obviously select. We don't have to change anything over here. We have already inputted the display quality settings, video settings, quantity, quality, audio settings options, and just we have to provide next. We have not include any watermark. Just next, and yes, again next. Quiz reporting options not required. We don't want any email ID over here. We have to export to our PC itself. You can add the address and just start, finish. So this is how exporting of the rendering has been done. The video has been rendered. It is in progress. So this is how you can do your videos, create your awesome video. Just make over it how to just edit your videos. You can watch my this training video again and again for how to edit and add different effects and options to your videos and make an awesome video. So hope you understood this session and got exact just what you want for making the videos. You have to just download this Camtasia software from this website. Download free trial. It's for almost 30 days. Enjoy free trial almost, and if you want to go for premium, then you can go for premium. In this free trial, the watermark of Camtasia will be displayed. So don't use free trial, get the purchase the premium one so that you can enjoy your videos and make your videos without watermark. So that's what for this video making session. Hope you got all the tools and tricks how you have to make your video after after the shooting has been done. And thank you for the session. We'll meet you in the next bonuses. Thank you.